Hey guys, Rima's here. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing good. So we all know like a good skincare routine is so important for our skin, and effective skincare routine helps to treat our acne, treat our wrinkles, and makes our skin look at its best. So with all this, you might get to know that what I'm going to discuss in today's video. So I'm going to tell you one by one what I have done to achieve good and healthy skincare. But before I start, I want to tell you, like I know for some people who have applied if many products, their skin started breaking out badly. So Korean skincare regime does not work for everyone, but for me it has done wonders. So yeah, that's it. Before starting this video, I really want to request you, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel, and if you really find it useful, do share it to others. And yeah, don't forget to hit the bell icon on your screen to get the latest notification of my videos. So yeah, let's get started. But yeah, just make sure whenever you start this regime, you have just remove all the makeup on. So step by step I'm going to discuss with you its step and why it's beneficial, what is the purpose, and how to use them. So the first step is to clean your face with an oil based cleanser. So oil based cleansers help to break down all the oil based impurities, uh, dirt, and these are effective in removing the waterproof sunscreens as well, and these are considered to be more effective than a normal cleanser. So here I am using the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Oil Based Cleanser. ये काफ़ी अच्छा है. You just need a pump or two of it and it is ready to use it. And what you have to do is you have to take 2 or 3 pumps like I said, and you have to rotate your fingers in a circular motion. Cleansing your face in circular motion helps to increase your blood circulation. That helps your skin to look more good. Clean for 2 or 3 minutes and rinse it off with the lukewarm water. Okay, so the next step is to clean again. Yeah guys, the next step is also to clean your face again, but here it is with a water based or a foam based cleanser. So what is the purpose of using a foam based cleanser is like the oil based cleanser helps to remove the oil based impurities, and water based cleanser or foaming based cleanser helps to remove the accumulated dirt and sweat on your face. So here I am using this Innisfree Volcanic Jeju Free foaming face cleanser, and really this product is best and it suits my face perfectly well and shown great results on my face. Also you do not need any net to create a foam with this cleanser. You इसमें फोम जो है वो अपने आप ही क्रिएट हो जाता है. यू रियली नीड अ पी साइज अमाउंट ऑफ इट एंड इट जस्ट कैटर वेरी वेल ऑन योर फेस. ऑल्सो ये सिर्फ इसीलिए अच्छा नहीं है क्योंकि ये काफ़ी अच्छे से आपके फेस को फोम दे रहा है, बट इट इज़ अ pH बैलेंस क्लिनजर. Now using a pH balance cleanser is very important. Human pH level varies from 4.7 to 5.7, so make sure that you are using a cleanser that is between this range. And again you just have to do the same with this cleanser also. Rotate your fingers in a circular motion and yeah, just rinse it off with the normal water. The next step is to exfoliate your skin. So exfoliation is basically used to remove all the dead skin cells on your face, and yeah, don't use it daily. It is just to use once a week or twice a week depending on your face and your skin. Here I am using this currently. मैं इनिसफ्री का ही यूज़ कर रही थी, बट अभी मेरे पास है नहीं है, वो ख़त्म है मेरा. सो करंटली आई एम यूजिंग दिस एक्सफोलिएटर. ये खादी मार्ट का है, चारकोल फेस एक्सफोलिएटर. काफ़ी अच्छा इसका भी रिजल्ट है. द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आई एम शोइंग यू इन दिस वीडियो आर नॉट स्पॉन्सर्ड. आई हैव यूज देम ऑन माई ओन. आई हैव सीन द रिजल्ट्स. आई हैव सीन द वंडर्स फ्रॉम दोज प्रोडक्ट्स दैट वर्क फॉर मी वेरी वेल. और इसके साथ मेरे पास ये ऑरिफ्लेम का भी है, मिल्क एंड हनी. ये भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. बट इनिसफ्री तो आई एम रियली इन लव विथ. मैंने जैसे कि पहले भी बताया कि काफ़ी अच्छा है इसका फोमिंग फेस वॉश भी. सो वॉट यू हैव टू डू इज टेक स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ एक्सफोलिएटर on your fingers and again rotate in a circular motion upwards direction. You can use your fingers or you can use any silicone face exfoliator. Personally I am using this face massager. ये silicone face massager है and vibrator भी है, so it works good and gives your face a kind of relaxation and massage. So the next step is using a toner. A toner is meant to remove the leftover dirt on your face and it also maintains the pH level of your face. टोनर्स काफ़ी आपके फेस को ड्राई कर सकते हैं, तो मेक श्योर दैट यू आर यूजिंग एन अल्कोहल फ्री टोनर एंड पैराबेन्स फ्री टोनर. सो करंटली आई एम यूजिंग दिस प्लम ग्रीन टी अल्कोहल फ्री टोनर. काफ़ी अच्छा रिजल्ट्स हैं इसके. इससे पहले मैंने लैक्मे का भी यूज़ किया है, बट वो भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. इट इज़ अ पोर फिक्सिंग टोनर. काफ़ी अच्छे उसके रिजल्ट्स हैं, बट इट वॉज नॉट पैराबेन्स फ्री, सो आई स्टॉप्ड यूजिंग इट. I have just finished this bottle and I have ordered already the second one because really it is very nice product. You must try this one. So again, what you have to do it, just if it is in a sprinkle bottle, you can just spray it all over your face, but from my personal suggestion is to take it on a cotton pad and just use it all over your face. The next step is to use a facial serum. So basically, your face is now clear and your face is ready to take the important nutrients that your face requires, and facial serums helps to target and address your specific problems like hyperpigmentation, acne, wrinkles, and it also improves your overall skin health. So here I'm using this Honest Choice Skin facial serum, retinol 2.5 facial serum. This serum has done wonders for me, really guys. I have done Mama Earth before this. काफ़ी अच्छा था वो. आपके फेस को अच्छी अमाउंट ऑफ हाइड्रेशन भी प्रोवाइड करता है और काफ़ी आपका फेस अच्छा लगता है, बट इट डज नॉट वर्क वेल गोइंग इन टू योर फेस, वॉट आई फील, because it has done nothing for me. But again, this is my personal experience. Some products work for some people extremely well and some for not, but for me this has done wonders really. ये आई थिंक मेरा थर्ड बॉटल है ऑनेस्ट चॉइस का. इसके और भी वेरिएंट्स आते हैं. आई हैव यूज्ड ऑल दोज और लिटरली इट इज़ वेरी नाइस एंड रियली इट हैज़ डन वंडर्स ऑन माई फेस. व्हाट आई हैव फेल्ट, इट रियली टारगेट्स योर एक्ने, इट रियली टारगेट्स योर डार्क स्पॉट्स, एंड इट इज़ रियली वेरी नाइस प्रोडक्ट. And the important thing what I found in this serum is that it is a very low cost and a quality serum. काफ़ी अच्छे results हैं इसके और वो भी काफ़ी low range में. What you have to do is just take a small amount of it and just pat it on your skin pretty well. Just don't rub it on your face. Just pat it on your skin and that's it. So yeah, that's about this serum. The next step is using a sheet mask. Basically sheet mask में ample amount of you can say serum होता है. They're extremely hydrating, leaving your skin soft and supple. If you are going for an event, you can just use it and your skin will glow like a wow, seriously. So this is the basic purpose of a sheet mask and उसको तो कुछ भी नहीं करना है. You just have to take it off from the bag and you can use it on your face for 15 or 20 minutes or whatever the direction given in the sheet mask. I really don't know where I have left my sheet mask. मैं sheet mask भी Innisfree का ही यूज़ कर रही हूँ. काफ़ी अच्छे results हैं उसके भी. Seriously, it's just wow. The next step is using a moisturizer. Koreans believe that using a moisturizer helps you lock all the previous layers that you have applied. If it is sheet mask, ampule, essence, whatever you have applied, the moisturizer helps to lock all those layers. So here I am using this. Currently actually I am using again the plum. I am using plum green tea moisturizer. इसके काफ़ी अच्छे रिजल्ट्स हैं. अगेन ये काफ़ी अच्छा अमाउंट ऑफ हाइड्रेशन देता है और इसको लगाने के बाद आपका फेस काफ़ी अच्छा भी दिखता है, नो डाउट. मैं कॉस्ट्रिक्स का भी यूज़ करती हूँ और ये भी बहुत अच्छा है. इफ़ योर स्किन नीड्स एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ हाइड्रेशन यू कैन गो फॉर दिस वन. बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है ये. बट करंटली आई एम यूजिंग द प्लम ग्रीन टी. वॉट यू हैव टू डू इट फॉर इट्स यूसेज, you just have to take a small amount of it again and again you have to rotate in a circular motion upwards direction. So the last tip is don't forget your SPF while going outside because it protects your skin from harmful UV rays. Don't forget to follow this step. Currently I am using this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer sunscreen. मुझे इसके रिजल्ट्स भी काफ़ी अच्छे लगे. इट्स प्रिटी गुड. द नाइट टाइम यू शुड यूज स्लीपिंग मास्क. It gives your face ample amount of hydration and yeah, makes your skin soft and supple. So I'm using this Jordan Key sleeping mask. This is again very nice. इसका packaging तो मुझे इतना cute लगा. This is also very nice product. again I'm in love with this one also. Maybe I'll use many more products from the Dot and Key, क्योंकि ये मैंने Dot and Key का first product ही use किया है and it has shown good effects on my skin. Yeah guys, that's all for this video. Hope you have enjoyed this video and find it useful for you, and if you have find this useful for you, please share it to others, and please stay safe and stay at home to help others who are in a need and without troubling yourself. Love you guys. Bye bye. Stay tuned for the next video.